What's up? This is Dan, and I help people earn extra income online. So I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in less than an hour. So if you're looking for ways to earn extra income, if you want to learn how to make $900 a day or more, then make sure you watch this. Okay, what you need, this is digital marketing. All you need is Wi-Fi. All you need is your phone, and you just need to work for 2 hours a day. You have to commit to working 2 hours a day. What we do is promote done-for-you digital programs for 100% profit. So you can make $100, $300, $600, or $900 over and over again. And all you have to do is work for 2 hours a day, right? So what you have to do is you have to get started. You set up your automated business. After you set up your automated business, then you can start receiving payments through your automated system. And this automated system that you get is doing 90% of the work for you. It's doing all the selling, all the telling, all the closing. It's following up for you. It's doing literally everything, like 90% of the work for you, and you just have to work for 2 hours a day. Okay, so how I made $900 a day, let me show you. Let me break it down. So the first thing I did is I purchased one of our programs because we promote 4 done-for-you digital programs for 100% profit. So let me show you this. Let me show you exactly what we promote and how it works. Okay, so let me share my screen here. So look, so this is the website that we use. You also get to use this website as well. As you can see here, here's the programs that we promote, right? Right here. These 4 done-for-you digital programs, okay? These programs are inside of the e-learning industry, which is $1 billion a day industry. And we have these are top selling programs inside of the industry, right? So Launchpad is 100, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, that's 300, Digital Mastery, that is 600, and the Legacy Builder program, that is 900. So what you do is you purchase one of these programs one time. It's a one-time purchase, and then you can resell these programs over and over again for 100% profit. It's called master resale rights. So this is the first step to making 900 in less than an hour, okay? And the cool thing is about this, master resale rights, as soon as you purchase the program one time, there's no monthly fees whatsoever, and you can earn 100% profits from these programs. So all you need is one sale, and you're already in profit mode, okay? That's how easy it is. And you can get one sale, come on. Just believe in yourself enough and focus on getting that first sale. After you get that first sale, then you're in profit mode, okay? Every sale you make after the first sale just gets your investment back. Every sale after that, it's profit mode. So this shows you what's inside of each of the programs. Here's our Launchpad, shows you how to automate your business, how to post free ads, how to grow a following, then the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, how to make 100% profits, how to find your ideal customer, how to build your brand. Then we have Digital Mastery, which shows you how to make 6 figures in 6 months, right? So all this stuff, how to create your own products, and then you get these bonuses as well, right? So someone's going to go to this website, they're going to purchase either the Legacy Builder or the Digital Mastery or the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint and the Launchpad, right? So when you join this program, this is it's the easy step-by-step blueprint, and we show you how to make $900 a day or more with this program, okay? So just follow the steps. Step 1, get started. Step 2, learn how to launch a daily paid business. And then step 3, start earning passive income. Okay, so when you purchase this program, when you get started, you're going to get access to this to this automated system, right? That looks like this. So let me just show you what the automated system looks like, right? This is how I made $900. So someone's going to click on your link. They're going to go here. This is called a capture page. They're going to click on the capture page and put in their information, right? And then after that, they're going to go to this thank you page where they're going to get more information. So these pages are doing all the selling, all the telling. Like she's telling you, she's giving a presentation about how this whole program works. So you don't have to talk to people about the program because they just have to watch the video. So they're going to get all the information from the video. And then the next one, this is also another page that you get sent out. This goes out inside of your emails, okay? And then the website, you get this website for you. Done for you website. It's all done for you. Okay, this is where you make all your sales. You just got to put in your information. Like, look, here's my pictures. You just put in your pictures. It's ready to go. So this automated system is doing all the work for you, 90% of the work for you, right? So once you have that set up, then what do you have to do? Let me just show you. Let me show you how it works. So this is what I did. Step 1, how I made $900 in less than an hour. I had my automated system. I purchased my digital program and I set up my automated business so I could start receiving payments, right? And then we show you how to do this. So check it out. So look, this is the process, guys. You want a product that you could promote for 100% profits, right? That's what you want. So that's the step. That's the first step. Promote a product for 100% profit, right? And then step number 2, you want to automate your business. So step number 1, promote your product. You need a product that you can promote for 100% profit. Step number 2, you need to automate your business. Like I showed you, the automated business, capture page, then a thank you page and the sales page, right? And then you have emails going out to people. So this automated business is making you money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love, right? So then step 3, you need a way for people to discover your business. How to post free ads. We show you how to post free ads and how to create 3 pieces of content. And I also recommend going live. Okay, because that's how I made $900, right? That's how I made $900. I set up my automated business. I'm promoting a product for 100% profit, right? And I'm promoting a product for 100% profit. And then step 3, once I set up my automated business, what I do is I post free ads, which takes 30 minutes a day, creating 3 pieces of content that you post on social media. That takes about 30 minutes a day. And going live, you can go live as long as you want, but I recommend going live for at least, 30 minutes a day until you get comfortable with it. And then you can go live longer. But this is what I did, guys. I set up my program. I purchased my program. I set up my automated business and I made $900. And I've done this quite consistently, just going live. So I went live and then in less than an hour after doing my live and I'm just doing like what I'm doing now. I'm just doing a presentation live on TikTok, right? I went live on TikTok. I did my little presentation. People were watching. Someone was watching my program, my live. They were connecting with me. I'm just being myself, guys, and just showing them the program, talking about my journey, sharing my story, how I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, and then how I went online to find programs to earn extra money. And I found this program, and I'm just sharing this program with people. I'm showing them how it works behind the scenes. I'm answering questions and just connecting with people. So someone jumped to my live. They saw my little presentation. And in less than an hour, they made a purchase right there from my live, $900 by going inside of my website. Through my website, they purchased one of the programs. I got paid $900 directly to me. Okay, less than an hour because I went live. So that's how simple it is, right? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Now check this out again. So look at our community, guys. Look at our community. When you join our program, you get access to this community. We have over 27,000 members inside of our community, 27,000 members, okay? And check out this section. It's called wins, okay? So look at the wins people are having. Jerry, 1,001 day. Never imagined the introvert that I am could ever accomplish anything like this. Keep moving forward, believe in yourself, and good things will happen. Look at Christelle. She's made 10,000 in the first 5 days of July, guys, 10,000. And we all do the same thing, guys. We have an automated business, then we post ads, we go live, and we create content. Everyone's doing this. That's where the income comes from. These are income producing activities, posting ads, going live, and creating content. That's how she made $10,000 in 5 days. Okay, and so can you. You can do this too. You just got to believe in yourself. You got to get started and you got to take action. That's it. So I'm just showing you some wins just so you have an idea of what's going on. Look, Jessica, win, let's see, 2,200 yesterday by John. Laura, 6,014 days and $900 ding just now. I was busy posting my daily content when ding. Here came a $900 payment and another new legacy builder. Staying consistent always pays off. So she was posting her content, like I said, 3 pieces of content a day. While she was posting that content, she made $900, okay? Brandon, another 900 ding while on a road trip. So you can just see, these are just some wins. We have so many pages of wins, guys. It's insane. Like, look, we have so many pages, like page 1, page 2. We have 1,000 pages of wins, okay? So there's no shortage of wins. So that's our community. You can plug in here for like ongoing training and support. We have mentoring 2 to 3 times a week. And then look, right now we're doing this. It's called a 90-day legacy run. We're showing you how to make $30,000 in 90 days. Okay. So that's starting right now, guys. I think I showed you everything, how it works. So we're just kicking off this 30K in 90 days. We're going to show you how to make 30K in 90 days following this program. Every day, our millionaire mentor, one of the millionaire mentors in our program, she's going to be giving us daily mentoring, just daily videos to watch to help you with your mindset and strategy so you can make 30K in the next 90 days using this system, right? So what do? You get started, you set up your automated business. You purchase one of your programs, you set up your automated business. Okay, you just follow the steps inside of our program. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So look. So once you get started, all you're gonna do is follow the steps. Like you're gonna purchase one of the programs, okay? Let's say you purchase a legacy builder, all right? So inside of this program, we show you step by step everything that you need to do to go from 0 to 6 figures online, right? So you get access to this program as soon as you start and you want to set up your automated business. So how do you do that? We show you how to set it up right here. How to automate your online business for time freedom. And then we show you so we're going to give you a pre-built automated business. And then we just show you how to edit your pre-built business. So you just follow these steps. You follow the steps, you set up your business. Okay. And then you're ready to go. That's it. Just follow the steps, set up your business, then plug into our community for ongoing training and support and work for 2 hours a day until you hit your income goals. If you go live, you can make 900 or more just by going live in less than an hour, guys, because I did it. So if I did it, so can you. So see you on the next one, guys. All the best.